It's a Singer industrial machine, model 31-15. This machine's from 1915, based on the serial number, which is G9045253. It's hooked up to an industrial motor with the foot pedal and the knee clutch, all in working condition. This machine comes with the table, working light, as well as about 10 presser feet for different stitching patterns, a bunch of needles. The drawer contains many extra bobbin holders, as well as some miscellaneous pieces. Again, I'll take a look around this machine and table. Looks like the table and possibly the machine have been repainted, an older repaint. It's a heavy duty made in Taiwan motor, industrial. Table is old and industrial too. Nice top, a bendable snake light. Has a tall spindle. Hold the thread. The plugs are in good condition and newer. Switch. I'll go ahead and turn this machine on and give you a quick listen to what it can do. It's quite a powerful machine, and for 97 years old it can still. So it purrs nicely. Again, it's operated with this foot pedal, and right now though it's threaded, I'm still gonna put some fabric under here. Slow or fast. Definitely a powerful machine. So I can imagine you could sew through leather, things like suede, convertible tops. Again, you can see the bobbin. It's all clean. Again, Singer 3115. Industrial commercial sewing machine, dates to 1915. Ready for your use today. Thanks very much for looking.